many different methods of classifying musical instruments. They can be classified according to the characteristic of their sound, the material used for their construction, the manner in which the instrument is played, how they produce the sound, among others. The most commonly used classification is based on how they produce sounds. This classification divides them into three categories: string instruments, wind instruments, and percussion instruments. According to the piano's ancestors, it can be classified as a string instrument because the sound comes from the vibration of the strings. However, it can also be classified as a percussion instrument because it uses hammers to strike the strings. The piano had various ancestors like clavichord, harpsichord, and hammered dulcimer. This precursor's instruments produce sounds from vibrating strings when a musician plays the strings in some manner. The piano was invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori in Italy around 1700. It is a keyboard musical instrument that usually has a wooden case protecting the soundboard, 3 pedals, and metal strings that bear a lot of tension on a heavy metal frame. Sounds are produced when the strings are struck by a felt-covered hammer, after a musician presses down with fingers the keys on the keyboard. A standard modern piano contains 88 keys, spanning a range of 7 full octaves, plus a few keys. The piano has been received innovations and changes in its projects since its creation, such as its verticalization, hammers covered with felt, not more leather, and the inclusion of the sostenuto pedal. Piano manufacturers continue to experiment with different materials and processes in order to meet the demands of piano players. Today it is possible to find pianos with a carbon fiber mechanism. What about you? Do you like songs played on the piano? Are you a pianist? Stay now with the sound of the piano.